Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to build some animals using kinetic sand. I have a white kinetic sand, red, blue, and yellow. And here are all the animals that we're going to build today. First, we have a giraffe, a snake, a baby dinosaur, a bunny, a bear, a lion, a duck, a horse, a hippo, and a T-Rex. Okay, are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. First, we're going to build the giraffe, and I'm going to use the white sand. Here's the giraffe, guys, and he's white. Good. Now I'm going to build the snake, and I'm going to use the red sand. Cool, right? Here we have a red snake. Alright, now we're going to build the baby dinosaur. And I'm going to use the blue sand. Here's we have a blue baby dinosaur. Really cool, right? Next, I'm going to build the bunny. And I'm going to use the yellow sand. There it is. Here's our yellow bunny. Next, I'm going to make the bear. and I'm going to use the white sand. Here's a bear, guys, and he's white. Good. Now I'm going to make the lion, and I'm going to use the red sand. Good. Here's a red lion, guys. Next, I'm going to build the duck, and I'm going to use the blue sand. Pretty cool, right? Here's a blue duck. Next, I'm going to build the T-Rex using the yellow sand. Here we have a yellow T-Rex. Good. Next, I'm going to build a horse, and I'm going to use the red sand. Good. Now I have a red horse. And lastly, I have a hippo. And I'm going to use the blue sand. Good. Here I have a hippo, and he's blue. Okay. Let's go over all the animals one more time, guys. Here I have a white giraffe, a blue baby dinosaur, a red snake, a yellow bunny, a white bear, a red lion, a blue duck, a yellow T-Rex, a red horse, and a blue hippo. Yay! That's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!